What's up, data detectives? Want to become a data analyst but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're laying out the complete data analyst roadmap, a step-by-step guide to help you launch your data career. The demand for data analysts is booming, and it's a fantastic career path. So let's break down the skills you need and the steps you should take. Step 1. Foundational skills. Start with the basics. This includes mathematics and statistics. Understand basic statistical concepts like mean, median, standard deviation, and probability. Spreadsheet software, Excel, Google Sheets. Master essential functions like formulas, pivot tables, and charts. Step 2. Database management, SQL. Learn SQL structured query language to interact with databases, extract data, and perform analysis. Step 3. Data analysis tools, Python, R. Learn a programming language like Python or R, along with relevant data analysis libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn in Python, or tidyverse in R. Step 4. Data visualization. Learn how to create compelling visualizations using tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Matplotlib in Python to communicate your findings effectively. Step 5. Domain knowledge. Choose a specific industry or area to focus on, like finance, healthcare, or marketing. This will help you apply your data analysis skills to real-world problems. Step 6. Build a portfolio. Create projects that showcase your skills. This could include analyzing publicly available data sets, creating interactive dashboards, or contributing to open-source projects. Step 7. Networking and job search. Connect with other data professionals, attend industry events, and start applying for jobs. This roadmap isn't a race, it's a journey. Focus on building a strong foundation and gradually expanding your skill set. There are tons of resources available online, including free courses, tutorials, and communities. With dedication and hard work, you can become a successful data analyst and unlock a world of exciting opportunities. What are your data analyst goals? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more career advice and tech insights.